Midco Sales has the new XL Specialized 16-tire lowboy trailer in stock at its dealership in Arizona. This heavy haul trailer has a 100,000 pound hauling capacity and features an expandable rear wheel area.
XL's new MGX, mechanical gooseneck expandable, features a unique wheel area which expands from 8 feet 6 inches to 10 feet wide using two 8-inch air cylinders. This is especially beneficial for drivers in the western United States, yet it also offers flexibility across the country by eliminating an over-width return trip. There are two trunnion-style disc brake axles per side. The walking beam suspension is designed with maintenance-free greaseless bushings to help the trailer drive smoothly over rough terrain.
The main deck measures 24 feet long and has swing-out outriggers for hauling larger machinery. The loaded deck height is 23 inches with 8 inches of ground clearance. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about this lowboy or about any of the XL Specialized trailers in stock.